Namaste, खुश रहो बेटिया. I, Jabin Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we will discuss about OLTP versus OLP. This topic is related to data warehouse. We have earlier discussed about data warehouse and its stages of data warehouse. So let's begin the OLTP versus OLAP. We can divide IT systems into transactional OLTP and analytical OLAP. So, in general, we can assume that OLTP system provides source data to data warehouses. Warehouse OLAP systems help to analyze it. So, first of all, what is OLTP? OLTP is your online transaction processing, and OLAP is your online analytical processing. So first of all, we will see the diagram how it works. OLTP performs some operation like business, and it is used in for business purpose, like business. It identify the business strategy and business processes, and then the master data transactions. OLAP information based organization used like data mining, where we use for data mining, analytics and decision making. That means where the huge amount of data which can be performed by OLAP. So what is OLTP? So online transaction processing is characterized by a large number of short online transaction like insert, update, delete. The main emphasis for OLTP system is put on very fast query processing, maintaining data integrity in multi-access environments, and effectiveness measured by number of transactions per second. In OLTP database, there is a detailed and current data and a schema used to store transactional databases in the entity model, usually 3NF. So, what we can see, OLTP is based on SQL database, where uh, the transaction operation like insert, update and delete is done in OLTP, and its table is usually in third normal form. As you know, the third normal form is efficient for designing the database in SQL. So now we will see what is OLAP. The OLAP is online analytical processing. It is characterized by relatively low volume of transactions. Queries are often very complex and involve aggregation. For OLAP system, a response time is an effectiveness measure. OLAP applications are widely used by data mining technique. In OLAP database, there is aggregated historical data stored in multidimensional schemas like usually a star schema. For example, a bank storing years of historical record of check deposits could use an OLP database to provide the reporting to business users. Here we will see the difference of OLTP and OLP in tabular form. So first of all, if you will see the difference in aspect of source of data, in OLTP it's operational data. OLTP are the original source of the data, while in OLAP the data would be consolidation, and OLP data comes from the various OLTP databases. Purpose of data: it control and run fundamental business tasks. It helps with planning, problem solving and decision support. That means the data in OLP is collected by the planning, problem solving and decision support. What kind of data in OLTP? It's reveal a snapshot of ongoing business process, while in OLAP multi-dimensional views of various kind of business activities. it support OLTP support the insert and updates, so short and fast insert and update initiated by end user, while in OLAP periodic long running batch job refresh the data. Queries in OLAP is relatively standardized and simple queries returning relatively few records, while in OLAP often complex queries involving aggregation. Processing speed is very fast in OLTP, while in OLAP it depends on the amount of data involved. Batch data refreshes and complex queries may take many hours. Query speed can be improved by creating indexes large due to the existence of aggregation. Space requirements. Space requirement in OLTP can be relatively small if historical data is archived, while in OLAP, larger due to the existence of aggregation structures and history data requires more indexes than OLTP. So this is all about the difference between OLAP and OLTP. I hope you like my session. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. This digital session version 2.0 is provided by Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Thank you.